Do you want excellent health, strength, and immunity of your plants and want to increase fruit size and quality, and that too naturally? Then give Utkarsh Zymoz to your plants and trees. Zymoz contains seaweed extract, which increases chlorophyll content in plants, which increase and also photosynthesis activity. It directly impacts fruit and flower size and quality. Utkarsh Zymoz provides macronutrients like nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and micronutrients along with hormones like auxin, cytokinin, gibberellins, that too in 100% natural form. You can apply Zymoz at 1 to 3 ml per liter water by spraying or 500 ml to 1 liter per acre by drenching or drip system. After application, you can observe excellent result in 5 to 6 days. Zymoz is 100% organic and natural product and is safe for soil, plants and environment.